How to find your browser type and version. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can find browser type and version. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're using Google Chrome, then you have to open up Google Chrome in your device. Now to find out your browser version, navigate to this three-dot icon at the top right corner, click on it. From this menu box, you have to click on the option as Help, and under Help, click on About Google Chrome. Now you'll be taken into this page. If your Google Chrome is not up to date, then it will start updating. Once the update is complete, you will see your latest version of your Google Chrome that you're using as your browser. Or if you're using Microsoft Edge, then you have to open up Microsoft Edge in your device. Now to find out its version, again navigate to the three-dot icon at the top right corner. From this menu bar, you have to click on Help and Feedback. On the Help and Feedback, click on About Microsoft Edge, and here it will check for the update. And if your Microsoft Edge is up to date, at the top there is your version of your Microsoft Edge. So that's the way to find out your browser type and version. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.